Practist is the first practice management system designed to make it easier to accept legal insurance cases and get paid for them. Without Practist, you'd have to go into the insurance company's website to get the case information, then manually enter all the case details into your practice management software, and then remember to log back into the legal insurance website after your client signs with you and accept each case in their system to prevent other attorneys from claiming it. Then, when you're finished with a case, you'd have to gather your materials from that case, such as your timesheet and any supporting docs, and once again, log back into the insurance company's system to file the claim. Practist does all that for you. You can simply search for the case, either by case number or client name, and Practist auto-populates all your case details. Your engagement letter is automatically tailored to the case and fee type. And you can send it to your client with the click of a button. When the client signs, the matter status automatically updates to open, and Practist automatically accepts the case in the insurance company's system so that no other attorney can snatch it from you. When you're ready to get paid, you can easily mark it ready in Practist. Then you or your admin can file the claim with just a few clicks directly from inside Practist. Practist automatically connects with the insurance company website and provides all the information the insurance company needs to process your claim and get you paid.